Hi everybody, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost, and today I just wanted to share a video of my setup for Whatnot. And so what I did is I just took some white, I don't know, board from like the dollar store, and I just bought two of them and I clipped them together, and then I made my own little space to do my videos with. I have my computer sitting there. I put up my, I printed out my Crafters Outpost logo, and then I just displayed some things that I have made. And if you don't know what Whatnot is, it is a good place for a sellers and buyers market. You can do live videos on there. You can do crafting videos on there. It's a really great community, guys, and I just learned it in like 10 days. I had my first show a couple of days ago, and so it's a learning curve though, and you know, you will make some mistakes, but so far I am really enjoying it, and I'm working through the learning curve, and I'm just going to continue on because I really like it. And so anyway, give it a look at. And I'll put the link down below. If you join my my Crafters Outpost, it's not the Crafters Outpost, it's just called Crafters Outpost. And you can go in and bookmark my upcoming shows. And I think they're giving you a $15 coupon to buy whatever you want. It's an awesome app, guys. Go check it out. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.